In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar to Notion. Start by opening Notion. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you're in, go to the page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. You should be looking at your main dashboard or whichever workspace page you plan to use. Next, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in there as well. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then choose Settings. This takes you to the full calendar settings area, where you can control sharing and embed options. On the left sidebar, find the section called Settings for My Calendars. Under that section, click the specific calendar you want to embed into Notion. This part matters because the embed settings are managed separately for each individual calendar. Now scroll down until you see Access Permissions for Events. Here, check the box for Make Available to Public. Google will show a warning, and you'll need to click OK to confirm. This is important because if the calendar is not public, the embedded version usually won't display properly inside Notion. So even though it feels like an extra step, it's required for this method to work. After that, keep scrolling until you reach the Integrate Calendar section. In that area, click Customize. A customization window will open, and this is where you can control how the calendar looks before adding it to Notion. You can adjust things like colors, the calendar title, and the default view such as week, month, or agenda. Once it looks the way you want, go to the top of that screen and click the copy icon next to the embed code. Now head back to your Notion page. On an empty line, type /embed, then press enter. Notion will open an embed field. Paste in the code you copied from Google Calendar, then click the blue Embed link button. As soon as it loads, your Google Calendar should appear right on the Notion page. To make it easier to read, hover over the embedded calendar and drag the side handles to adjust the width and height. Expanding it usually helps a lot, especially if you want to see more events at once without scrolling. At this point, the calendar should be visible in your current Notion account and page. And that's all you need to do to successfully embed Google Calendar into Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: if the calendar doesn't show up right away, double check that you copied the embed code from the customization screen and that public access was enabled for that calendar. Once those two pieces are set correctly, the embed usually works smoothly. And that's it, you're all set.